Hello, my name is Giovana Pinheiro, and I am very excited to share my work with you today on the role of healthcare providers in the identification of infant tongue and lip ties from the perspective of milk-sharing recipients. For this analysis, we ended up using data from two complementary studies, one being an ethnographic investigation using semi-structured interviews of 30 mothers with 32 infants who received shared human milk, and the other being an online survey of 70 recipient families with 74 infants. We found that the prevalence of tongue and lip ties was consistent between the two studies and is actually very high at 31 and 33% for each study, which does suggest that tongue and lip ties could be significant drivers of human milk sharing. We also found that there was a large variety of healthcare providers and professionals involved in the identification of tongue and lip ties, and in the survey, as you can see in Figure 1, lactation consultants were most often cited as being involved in the identification of tongue and lip ties, followed by pediatricians. In the ethnographic study, we found that many mothers had challenges with finding and accessing care and support from healthcare providers, and they described pain, inadequate milk transfer, and inadequate infant weight gain prior to having the tongue and lip tie identified and resolved. And I'll take a pause here to urge you to read the two quotes that we've shown here from mothers that we interviewed as they describe their own unique experiences and challenges. Furthermore, we had one mother who described her child being misdiagnosed as having an overbite rather than a tongue or lip tie by her child's pediatrician, and another described that her child's pediatrician missed the diagnosis of tongue or lip tie. So these experiences lend us to suggest that perhaps there's a need for improved clinical training on tongue and lip tie identification. Our overall findings suggest the potential need for better coordination of care between lactation consultants and healthcare providers who may identify and clinically manage tongue and lip ties. And our findings also suggest a need for early identification and resolution of tongue and lip ties to improve breastfeeding outcomes. Thank you for stopping by, and please feel free to leave any comments or questions for me. Bye.